Hi everyone and welcome. This is Sharon here and I will be sharing with you today how I've created this layout, and hopefully it will give you some ideas and inspiration for your own projects. I am starting with choosing a background paper which will complement my chosen photo. I chose to go with the Apricot Honey collection by Prima marketing. It suits perfectly to my photo with its shapes, patterns and colors. When examining your photo, take a good look and try to identify small details, texture, shapes and colors. I'm preparing my table with all the embellishments I would like to add to my layout. I don't know if I will use it all, but it's a good idea to inspire yourself by creating an inspirational working environment. When creating a layout, it's a good idea to adhere it to a piece of chipboard. That way the paper will stay straight after all the materials and water you will use on it. I am applying Prima texture paste white sand through a stencil. You can randomly apply it, but try to decide where your composition will be and make sure to apply the texture on those areas. I am roughly building my composition, just placing the bigger elements first to give some structure to my photo. I am using Heavy Body Gel by Prima to adhere all my elements. Try to look on your own photo. You need to ask yourself, what is going on there? What does the figure do? What is she seeing? Asking this question will help you to bring depth to your piece, an interesting story to tell. As for me, I chose a window from which the figure is watching the world. Can you see how she turned her head? She is watching something, so placing the photo in the left side, giving this lady an open space to do so. Now, after I've decided how the structure will be, I can start adding the smaller elements. One of my favorite pastes is the crackle paste. I use it for adding dimension and texture. It gives an aged look to the project and adds an overall interest to it. Applying it not only on the paper, but also on the elements unified the piece with all its different elements together. At this point, I felt like making my composition larger. I am adding molds in two different points where the composition ended. It's like I'm stretching the edges just a bit further. In order to blend those molds together with the rest of the composition, I'm applying texture paste on top of them too. Adding soft gel medium will prepare my surface for the next step, which is adding accent color. If I will not seal my layout, the color which I will be adding to some of the elements, especially paper, flowers and fabrics, will sink into them, and I will not get the paint to flow and move on the surface as I want it to. I wanted to emphasize the green shades in the photo. That is why I've chosen green as my accent color. I'm examining two shades of greens which I've never used before from the Art Philosophy Confections watercolor, and I decided that the darker shade will suit better to my photo. I am repeating the same process with a gray color I've blended from another confection set. Adding different colors in different shades add more dimension to the layout, and it also helps to bring out the photo from the paper and emphasize it. I'm applying a light touch of white gesso with a dry brush. This will give the elements a softer look and unify all items together. I hope you enjoyed my process as I enjoyed creating it. And if you have questions, you are always welcome to interact with me on my YouTube channel. And of course, if you enjoyed my tutorial, you're welcome to subscribe. So see you again soon. Bye bye for now.